Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Java in NetBeans. First, you'll need to download and install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, which is essential for running Java applications. Next, we'll get NetBeans IDE installed on your system. Finally, I'll show you how to confirm that everything is working correctly by creating and running a simple Java project. Let's get started with the first step. The Java Development Kit is the foundation for Java programming. Head to Oracle's website and find the latest stable JDK version. Choose the installer that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, launch the installer and proceed through the steps, accepting the license agreements. The default installation path is usually fine, but remember where it's installed. Now that Java is installed, let's get NetBeans. Go to the Apache NetBeans website and download the installer. There are different bundles available. Choose the one that includes Java SE support. Run the downloaded executable file. The installer will guide you through the process, asking you to accept the license and select an installation folder. Ensure it detects your previously installed JDK. To ensure everything is working, open NetBeans and create a new Java application project. You can name it something simple like Hello World. In the main class, add a line of code to print Hello World to the console. Then, run the project. If you see Hello World in the output window, your Java and NetBeans setup is complete and ready for development. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.